we just felt like coming inside and looking at the facilities given by Cradle. So just felt it is quite comfortable for delivering a baby. And it will be a gift for the baby also to get delivered over here.
I used to go to a couple of hospitals here, and I was not very comfortable with the hospital feeling. So then a friend of mine told me about Cradle, and when we went to check it out, I was like, I want here. This is it. I don't want to check anywhere else, you know.
When we saw the Cradle facilities, and the concept itself was very good. These normal hospitals, it is just like a general thing, you know, and there are a lot of pain and all those things. But here they just pamper you, and you know, they give you a special feeling that yes, it is a different phase of your life.
One, it's a maternity home. When we went and checked out the facility, we were very impressed with the kind of rooms and the kind of service they had. And also the faculty at Cradle was quite impressive.
One of my close friends had had a baby there, and she's the one who recommended.
I felt it was a five-star hotel rather than a hospital, and it was more relaxing in that sense, with no regular hospital smells to put you off, you know, the impending delivery and all that scare you have with the concept of delivery and all that. It was a very relaxing feeling I had.
We went there and we saw the rooms, various rooms, the luxury rooms, the deluxe rooms, and we saw all the beautiful colors, pink, purple, and all the pastel shades, and we thought that this was really nice. And it's not just a hospital environment, it had a very happy and a very colorful environment where you actually feel that this is for wellness, not any illness or something like that.
A friend of ours recommended it to us. So we went in, and it was the standard of the hospital was very much what we were used to in Australia. It just looked clean and of high standards, and it just looked very sort of well set up, and just very similar to what we're used to in Australia. So I guess it was that familiarity with a similar standard.
This was the first hospital I felt like it is only for maternity. So we just came in, and these people took us for hospital tour, and then we saw the rooms and everything, and it was all quite well maintained. So I felt like attracted towards it.
Different from a regular hospital, Yeah, it was more like a hotel where you go for a couple of days and you stay, rather than being admitted to a hospital. Yeah.
The first thing was, it was a very clean and nice atmosphere, and everyone was very friendly, and the way they showed us the HR, and the way they showed us the way and the facilities, it was very good. I mean, you don't usually get those things in any other hospital. They won't go and show you the rooms, and they won't tell you the facilities. So everyone was very friendly, and everyone was very welcoming and like that. So it was very nice.
Gone to a few other hospitals as well, a few nice hospitals, but the fact is it still gives you the feel that you're going to a hospital. Whereas here it gives you a very cheerful and nice feeling that you're actually going into a very nice maternity home. That was quite impressive.
It just seemed nice and friendly because the people at the reception were nice. It seemed more like, like a hotel lobby or something like that. So it was, for me anyway, the friendliness of the staff as a whole, and the fact that they made us feel so at home. It was really like a big family.
It's quite comfortable, and here they go for normal delivery, not in other hospitals like they usually go for cesarean. And here they waited for a long time, around 7 hours. I was like trying to get the pain, and they waited for the normal delivery. It was all fine equipped, and then as soon as I delivered, they gave me a bath, which relaxed me a lot, and everybody are very cooperative here, so it was all like felt at home.
So something that I liked was that it gets together the people, I mean, there are activities, there's something always something to do, and the people there are so friendly. Like PR and the physiotherapist and the nutritionist from the reception. Yeah. So I think something I remember is going to be the first year anniversary, because they also called me for modeling Mama's clothes. So it was something really nice, a nice experience. Whenever I tell family, oh, my hospital, we are doing this and that, and people are like, oh really? This is not something any regular hospital would do.
Overall, it was very fine. I was treated like a queen actually after delivery, especially, and time to time, nutritious food and soups and juices would come.
It was a very, I'll say, a very colorful place. You don't have a hospital feeling over there. It was a very nice feeling. You feel that people really can take care of you, and very friendly atmosphere, I should say.
Very positive, yeah. It's got a great design, a great look about it. Whoever the interior designer was has done a great job.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, definitely, yes.
To be a mom, it's really great actually. Just one step ahead now. Feel so much responsible and happy about it.
It's been challenging. Yeah, it's the feeling of from your partner, the focus goes completely to your baby, or from movies or a get together with friends or a trip. Yeah, you cannot do it without thinking of the baby. I mean, that's one part that you think of, oh, I'm not free anymore. But as soon as you see your baby's face, and as soon as she smiles at you, it takes away everything. Yeah.
Life's priority have changed. Totally the focus is now on the baby, like career and other things, other things in life, whatever was predominant for me, everything has become secondary, and baby has come on the first priority now. So like that, all focus is on her.
Yeah, it's been really good. I mean, nothing like having a little precious son.